There are a few people that did take that advice and actually made a lot of money. I posted that on my Twitter. Congratulations if you are making money on my trades. I want to wish you the best. I don't trade that much. I don't do amazing. Hello everyone and welcome. I'm your host Jitsuko Toshiro, bringing you all the cryptocurrency daily updates. Today's another daily episode. Before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm at 116 subscribers. When I get to 1,000, I'm going to give away $1,000 to the best collaborator. That means the person that is commenting, subscribing, and liking my videos, letting me know that they like my stuff. Let's go ahead and get started. Today, we're going to start with Bitcoin as usual. As you can see here, we had the daily close above this resistance. Let me show you which one I'm talking about. So I said that we had a bear flag, right? And then this is the bottom of the bear flag, and this is the top of the bear flag. I marked that with the support lines and the resistance lines. We did have a daily close above it, and I'm going to wait for this day to close to see really what's going to happen. I think if we do get another daily close above this, then the whole structure is invalidated. But if we consolidate in here, the longer that we consolidate, the more likely we will break to the downside. I want to recap one more thing. We had a powerful move to the downside just because we had this rounding top and then we broke that support. That daily close on the support is solid. So as long as we don't break this support over here, this right here, this area is still the line in the sand. This 22,400 level is the key area to keep in mind. If we close above that, then I think this whole pattern is reversed, and I do see 25,000 on the horizon. Other than that, there's really not much to do. There's nothing to trade. There's no setup. That's pretty much it for Bitcoin. There's one more thing I want to show you guys, a little nugget. That is a CME chart. I do think that we are going to close this gap, and this gap right here is $20,000 gap when we had that massive move to the upside. That is a key area of liquidity that we are going to close in on. The question is, are we going to reach 30K before we close in on it, or are we going to just come down and crash into here and fill it up? That is something that's on the horizon. I just want to let you guys know there are two gaps to keep in mind with the futures trading, and those are them. Next up, we have Ethereum. I told you guys, look, we have a lower. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum. So as you can see here, I did mention that we do have a key area of support right here. And this is the line in the sand for Ethereum. So it's around the 1650 area. And I think that if we do come up and touch it, we will get resistant and head down lower. The thing is, the daily is looking kind of bullish. I think we'll end with another green day. And this is the key area we want to keep in mind. This resistance is once known as support area is now resistance. You can see the same thing happen here. And this tends to be the trend. You have an upward sloping ascending channel that will break to a larger move to the downside. I think that's what we have a setup for here. Once we retest it, if we don't reclaim this area and break higher, I do think that we are going to just head lower. That is the update I have on Ethereum. A key level of support is right here, this 1300. So if this whole structure collapses, we are going to touch 1300. There's no questions asked. We're going to trade in this range. Let's take a look at my master short BNB. I drew this a long time ago. I'm telling you guys, like maybe 6-7 days ago, and I didn't touch the lines. It's doing exactly as I predicted, and I don't want to touch these lines at all because it looks so dang beautiful. If you guys have been on my YouTube channel, you know I haven't touched this, but let me show you guys a few things. Number one, we have that descending triangle. I show you guys that every single episode. We also have an upward sloping support. That is what I have here. I'm taking my short all the way down, at least to this support line. If it breaks, then I'm going all the way down to this $200 level. Other than that, there's really not much to do with BNB. We don't have a setup for a short. I told you guys the setup was here at this $330 mark. There are a few people that did take that advice and actually made a lot of money. I posted that on my Twitter. Congratulations if you are making money on my trades. I want to wish you the best. I don't trade that much. I don't do amazing swings or anything like that. I just try to do long-term trend reversals, and that's what I found here with BNB. Last but not least, I want to look at Solana, and Solana is in a key area of support. Like everything else in crypto, everything is testing basically the power move up. If we retest this area and it doesn't reclaim it, I think we will be heading lower. That is just a given, unfortunately. And Solana does show some strength. It bounced off this line I had here at $20. It's a psychological support, and it worked really well. So if you're in Solana, you're looking for a short setup, I would highly recommend trying to short this $24 to $25 range, because I do think the whole cryptocurrency market is heading lower, and that's why I keep reiterating, look for a short setup. That is the key thing to do in this situation. Last but not least, let's look at the DXY. DXY finally broke out of that descending triangle. I told told you guys to watch out for. It's looking pretty strong. I'm waiting for a clear break to the upside, and when I'm talking clear, I want to see something maybe 2 or 3 days above this resistance, and then I can tell you guys with confidence that the DXY is going to trend up. If that is the case, then I do expect the rest of the cryptocurrency market to collapse. That's just the way it rolls. If the DXY moves up, the rest of everything else will go down. So just keep your eyes on the DXY. It is looking good. It's breaking out of that descending channel, and then when it rips up like that, it's going to make a massive move, and I can't wait to see, because I am going to be ready for that. That was it for today's update. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to enter a chance to win $1,000 in USDT. All you have to do is comment, like my videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you guys like these updates that are really quick, please let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, stay safe trading and have fun. Good luck, everyone.